Now let's sew up the little panda. Both ears and eyes need to be sewn on. We glued the eyes and dark circles ahead of time. This eye, glue it to the black eye. Just stick it up with hot melt adhesive. We have provided hot melt glue stick and need to find a lighter ourselves. Like this, we will cut off the excess hot melt adhesive on the edge. Okay, now the eyes and eye circles are partially completed. You can try if it is firmly fixed. Next, to sew the ears. Let's take a closer look at the ear part. It's overhead. Let's look for it. Look carefully. There's a lead line behind him, this one. And once we find it, we focus on it, like this. Then count to the side like this, and the 3rd to 7th circles are sewing ears. 1, 2, 3. This is the position from the 3rd circle. We'll fix the ears here first. Let's get the suture needle first. One, 2, 3rd circle, and then down. 123, 3rd circle, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put it here. Just sew it up like this. Everyone can try it on their own. Just sew it like sewing a dress or a button. Set him a bit. There's a stitch in the ear, and then its head. There is also a needle in the head. This can be sewn as you like. He only needs to sew the position upright and then be symmetrical. There's a stitch in the ear. There's a stitch in the head. This will fix it in place. That's it. After completion, hide the line. Hide in the back. Like this, one ear of the panda is complete. We do the same with the other ear, from the 3rd to the 7th circle. This guideline, symmetrical left and right. Give it a try, everyone. After sewing, the same steps. Right. Thread it out in the same place as the thread just now. Please take a closer look at this step. Then tighten up a little, so that the panda's ears are done. Finally, go to the back and tie a knot. Just tie a knot and go cut it. Here. Tuck the thread in. Like this. The panda ears part has been successful. This is the outgoing line. When you are crocheting, you can see the middle lead wire go back to the middle and compare the two sides. Symmetry will do. Next step, we are going to do the panda's mouth. The mouth needs to be sewn up. And the panda's nose. We need to cut a black wool to sew our mouths. The black line. Then take out our sewing needles. We run the thread through the stitches. Okay, we'll start on lap 10. It's just counting down from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the head of the lead. It's the lead white line right in the middle here. We'll cross over from the side. We're going to keep some thread ends. The length of the mouth is the distance of 2 stitches. Like this. A needle like this, the distance between the 2 needles. And then sew the distance of a stitch from above. Like this. And then again from the middle. Across the middle. Back to this hole. Can be appropriate to tighten the wool, but we should also pay attention to not too tight. Can be slightly repaired. We don't have to pull too tight, we can loosen the thread a little. Panda's mouth partially completed. It's done. Here the same steps as above. Tie a knot. My line is too long, your line can be shorter. Then cut the excess wool. The next step is the same as before. We can slow down a bit. Okay, we're ready for this oval nose. Sticky on it. Use hot melt glue to stick on it. Now let me glue it. Same steps as above. We cut off the excess hot melt. Adjust it. Compacted it. He can rip it off if he has extra glue. The nose is done. Next, install the eyes. The eyes are here. This position is not fixed, as long as it looks symmetrical. Symmetrical like this. Just fix your eyes. That's it. Okay, we'll take out the hot melt glue stick again. Symmetrical sticky good eyes. Just do it. If there is excess glue, tidy it up. Give him a little tidying up. The next step is bamboo. There is a lead line on the bamboo. This side of the bamboo lead line sticks to the head. I'm outside. We take out the hot melt again. Like this. It sticks together like this. That's it. There are 2 bamboo leaves finished in advance. There is a bamboo leaf behind the ear. There is also a bamboo leaf on the bamboo. Just like here. Use hot melt glue to stick to the back of the ear. Just by his ear. There's one more. Stick it on this bamboo. Very good. Our little panda is done. We can embellish the details. Tidy it up. And then, we have the keychain. Same as this one. We need to install the keychain. We need to sew it up with thread. Just like me. Just sew it up. We use a little piece of wool. Tear the wool apart. Not too much. Wool is 4 strands, we only need 2 of them. Then take that stitch. Watch my video action. We wear the first circle position in the head. Insert it directly. Then from the hole in the middle. Threading out. Okay, through this hole at the bottom like this. Just tie it up. Cut the remaining wool. That's it, our little panda. Welcome everyone to send your works to the comment area for